sometimes we find people in church and they battle to worship. Imagine this. Imagine going to a restaurant. I don't know if you did it as a student. Brad looks like the type of guy that did it. No, he didn't. I'm joking. But, living in Pretoria and the student vibe, they will go to a restaurant and they will order a steak. And the whole intent is to run out without paying. The whole intent is that. Whether they're being naughty or they're being criminal, they really want to just do the place in, they intend. Now, how do you suppose that person, he's now ordered a steak, but he's not planning to pay for that steak? How is he eating that steak? Reluctantly. He's like, start my chance, start my millions. He's eating that steak with some apprehension in his spirit because he's going to duck. You see, when we don't contribute, we lose liberty.